What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to load manager career mode in EFC 26. So it's really easy to do. First of all, go over manager career and select it by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Inside it we'll see two options, live and original. We need to go over original. Inside original, if you see the jump in option, then flick your right stick to the right, then you will be able to see this play now option. Select it by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Here you'll see the career that you played recently. If you wanna create new manager career, then go over create new and start creating your new manager career. If you wanna load from an existing manager career, then go over the third option and select it by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. And now it will show you all of the saved slots of your manager careers. You can go over any of them and select it by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and then it will open that manager career in your game. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.